Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best po, tita. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, happy birthday. May God bless you on this day, and you have more blessings to come. Enjoy life. Keep your heart pure. And what else can I say? I'm so proud of you because you've been in lots of struggles in life, but look at you, girl. Carry mo lang yan. So, happy birthday.
Hi tita, happy 18th birthday. Sensya na hindi ako makakapunta dyan ha. Medyo may sakit ako eh. Pauwian nyo na lang ako ng balot. Happy birthday, enjoy!
Happy birthday, Malu. I idolize you for having a sexy body and a youthful look. I wish na masaya ka today, and I wish you good health, more blessings, and sana laging happy and contented ang family mo dahil intact kayo and binded parate. For your birthday celebration, let's have a cheers, and I'm giving you this flowers and chocolates for you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita! May you have many more birthdays to come. We love you!
Happy birthday po, Tita. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday po, Tita Malu. Sana po wag na po kayong umiyak, wag po kayong malungkot kasi po mahal na mahal po kayo ng lahat ng anak nyo. Stay pretty and healthy po. Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Oh, gulat kayo, no? Akala nyo si Bruno Mars yung nasa harap nyo. Kaya kamali kayo. Si Greg Rollins to. Ang Mr. Pogi ng Las Piñas. Just kidding, guys. I just want to greet you, Tita. Happy birthday and enjoy the party. Chong, miss ko na kayo. Happy birthday. See you guys soon. Ciao.
Tita, happy 50th birthday po. I wish you good health and more blessings to you and your family. Binabati ko na rin si Madel. Happy birthday, Mars. Tagaan mo mabuti sa Onay. See you soon. Ingat. God bless. Bye, Onay.
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.